Hi everyone, my name is Mokshnath Reddy, studying CSC in Karunya University. Today I'm going to explain exponent number 2 from the subject Data Science Ecosystem. Exponent number 2 is the exploratory data analysis using Python. For this experiment, aim is to demonstrate exploratory data analysis using Python for data science application. And meanwhile, go through this. Next, we'll go to the questions directly. Now we'll do questions in Jupyter. This is our first question. Import the Toyota related file into Pandas data frame and display the first 15 rows. See, this is the import Pandas. This is my file name, and we have to print uh, 15 head 15 means first 15 it will show. And if you give instead of head, there will be if instead of head will give tail, it will print last 15 lines. Okay. And next question, display the total number of rows, columns, and the data types of all columns. In this question, just we have to print the rows and columns. Uh, like, I mean, that's it. Info, it determines information, and this is the output. And next question is display the statistical summary of both quantitative and qualitative columns. See, we have to describe and we have to include all the data, all the things in the all the quantitative and qualitative columns in the data frame. It will show like this. This is the output. And next question, we have to find the maximum value of the price column and the minimum value of the age column. See, if we give max price is equal to df in the sense data frame, we write price dot max. The max is maximum, and minimum age we have to give in the data frame age and minimum. Just we have to print maximum price and minimum age. This is the next fifth question. We have to find the mean, median, and standard deviation of the KM column. KM mean data frame, KM median, KM standard deviation. Just we have to print the mean, median, and the standard deviation. See, this is the output. And next we have to next question, create a new column named CC underscore new, where CC new is equal to CC into 0.25. That they have told to calculate this. This is calculation for the first 10 records. See, data frame columns equal to data frame columns dot strip, and string plus this k is equal to false. Then see, this is our calculation, and this is CC and CC new. And next we want to see a seventh question. Display the last 50 records containing the price, age, and CC columns sorted by age in ascending order. And this is the output. And next, we have to display any five columns for rows 30 to 40 using the ilock method. See, print df.ilock. This 30 is to 41, comma 0 is to 50. This will print the five columns for rows 30 to 40 using the ilock. So this is our output 30 to 40. And next question, display all the rows where price greater than 15,000 and fuel type equal to diesel or gear is equal to 5. Gear is equal to 5. See this is a recursion. Price greater than 15,000 and DF fuel type is equal to diesel. And this we have to print the result as you know, right? This is our output. Next question, count the missing value in the MFR graduate column and replace them with 0 and display the updated data frame. See this, now we have to just starting, we have to print the missing values and we have to find MFR, we have to print MFR guarantee, and if it is, dot is null, dot sum, then we have to give the data frame MFR guarantee equal to MFR guarantee. Uh, we have to fill null is equal to, in the array, we have to give 0, sorry, in the integer, and just to print data frame. This is our output. And next question, identify whether the value petrol exists in the fuel type column using the any method. I mean, just we have to print the fuel type equal to petrol. If any method we have to give. See, this is our output. Just true will get. Our next 19th question. Use the apply function to calculate the square root of the price column. For this, we have to import math. Import math. Square root price SQRT. In the sense, square root price is equal to data frame price dot apply. We have to apply what? Math dot square root. Just square root in the sense in the mathematical in the mathematical subject only we'll get say square root, right? That we have to import the math first, and just we have to print the square root price, and this is the output we get. So many we have name, price, data type, float 64. Next question, group the data frame by fuel type and calculate the average price, average km and average HP. Then we need to get we have to group, right, data frame that group by how we are going to group it fuel type and a price km and HP. We have to calculate mean, then we'll get the result, and this is the output. Fuel type, diesel, petrol, price, km, HP, these are the values for this output. Okay. Next question, group the data frame by doors and fuel type and calculate the count of cars, maximum price and minimum km for each group. This is this is the code. This is the result. Next, rank all cars based on their price in decreasing order and store the rank in the new column named price rank. See, data frame is called price rank. So that is called to data frame price. For the rank, we need to give price, right, in the ascending order. If it gives us, if the value or is Ascending order, it will return false. If it, we need because we need decreasing order, right? Just we have to print the data frame, and this is our output, as you know. And next, create a pivot table showing the average price for each fuel type across different doors categories. And we need a pivot table, right, to show PD dot. I mean, panda. PD means panda. Dot pivot table. In the panda, we have to. Import the table, pivot table. Next, values, price, fuel, columns, and doors. Mean. This is our output. And next 24th question is display the top 10 cars with the highest price rank along with their price, fuel type, and KM. This is our code. This is the result. Output. Next, last question. Group the data frame by met color and calculate the mean price, mean KM, and average HP and total number of cars in each category. Display the result in decreasing order of mean price. Uh, just we need to group it by met color and mean price, mean KM, mean HP, total cost we have to calculate at the last, and the result is good. We have to sort the values, right? If the values are in ascending order, it will return false. Just because we need descending order, right? This is our output: minimum price, mean KM, mean HP, total cost. And that's all for today's experiment. Thank you.